everybody, this is Brian from Kearney Cabin. Everybody asks how close we are to the water, so I thought I would do a quick time-lapse video showing you exactly how close we are to the public boat launch. So as you can see, I am just leaving the cabin now and going on a quick walk. Under 5 minutes, or like 4.5 to be honest with you, and I wasn't even walking at it that fast of a pace, but here we go. Turn it around, and we were at the public boat launch. So 5 minutes from Kearney Cabin to the public boat launch. I think that's a pretty quick little walk. And of course, if you're driving, it's about 2 minutes. Thank you.